MCQs of molecular genetics. MCQs number 1. Which of the following has DNA molecules? Negative charge, positive charge, neutral, all of the above. The correct option is option A. DNA has negative charge. MCQs number 2. Which of the following DNA required? Sunlight, protein synthesis, mitotic division, many enzymes. Option D is correct, many enzymes. Excuse number 3. What are purine and pyrimidine? Nitrogen, nucleotides, nitrogenous bases, nucleoside. The correct option is option C. It is nitrogenous bases. 4. Which is an example of a genetic disorder sickle cell anemia? Pleiotropy, epistasis, heterozygous dominance, homozygous dominance. Correct option is option A, pleiotropy. MCQs number 5. Which is sequence of 3 nucleotide? Message, code, codon, amino acid. The correct option is option C, codon. Excuse number 6. Which of the following genotype cause Klinefelter syndrome? XO, XXY, XX, XY, Y. Correct option is option B, XXY. MCQs number 7. DNA abbreviation is ribonucleic acid, deoxyribonucleic acid, nucleic acid, proteins. Correct option is option B, deoxyribonucleic acid. Excuse number 8. When you notice that someone has unusually blue eyes, you have noticed their phenotype, genotype, allele, hybridization. Correct option is option A, phenotype. MCQ number 9. What is AUG? Stop codon, start codon, intermediate codon, or valine? The correct option is option B. It is start codon sequence. MCQ number 10. Synthesis of RNA from DNA is called translation, duplication, replication, transcription. The correct option is option D. It is called transcription. MCQ number 11. The synthesis of protein at ribosomes is called as transcription, duplication, translation, replication. The correct option is option C. Translation is synthesis of a protein. MCQ number 12. Which code is used for UUG? Methionine, leucine, serine, or valine? Correct option is option B, leucine. MCQ number 13. DNA molecules includes on neutral charge, negative charge, positive charge, none of these. The correct option is option B. DNA molecules includes negative charge. MCQ number 14. Are the units of nucleic acid amino, nucleotide, base, sugar? The correct option is option B. Nucleotides are the units of nucleic acid. MCQ number 15. In DNA, unwinding includes on helicase, chromosomes, hexanuclease, or ligase. The correct option is option A. It is helicase. MCQ number 16. Sequence of 3 nucleotide formed codon, code, message, amino acid. The correct option is option A. It is called codon. MCQ number 17. All viruses include on nucleic acid and protein code DNA and protein code RNA and protein code both A and B. The correct option is option A. Nucleic acid and protein code. MCQ number 18. Which is the largest human gene? A. Dystrophin, titin, insulin, none of these. The correct option is option A. Dystrophin is a largest human gene. 19. DNA stand for deoxyribonucleic acid, nucleic acid protein, none of these. The correct option is option A. Deoxyribonucleic. MCQs number 20. The end product of the translation is polypeptide, lipid, amino acid, none of these. The correct option is option A. Polypeptide. MCQs number 21. Chromosomes measurement includes on interphase, anaphase, sugar molecules, none of these. None of these is correct option. 22. The human genome introduced NIH and DOE, NIH and DDBG, NIH and EBI, none of these. The correct option is option A. NIH and DOE introduce human genome. Excuse number 23. A nonsense mutation is the creation of different amino acid, B. Creation of stop codon, or C. A regulatory sequence, D. An AG splice acceptor site. The correct option option B. The creation of stop codon. Excuse number 24. Recombinant occur in meiosis is called metaphase 2, prophase 1, metaphase 2, prophase 1. The correct option is option B. Prophase 1. MCQ number 25. Condition show interception in paternal transmission is cystic fibrosis, Fragile X syndrome, Huntington disease, Marfan syndrome. The correct option is option C. Huntington disease. MCQ number 26. Exon skipping is silent mutation, RNA processing mutation, nonsense mutation, regulatory mutation. The correct option is option B. RNA processing mutation. MCQ number 27. Cystic fibrosis mutation consists of a insertion, a substitution, a deletion, a duplication. A deletion is a correct option for cystic fibrosis mutation. MCQ number 28. Abnormality in children with untreated phenylketonuria is a risk of 100%, 10%, 25%, 1%. The correct option is option A. 100%. 29. Recombinant alpha adenoids is used for Pompe disease, Fabry disease, Gaucher disease, Hurler syndrome. The correct option is option D. Hurler syndrome. 30. Cancer cells are evidence of cell death, unlimited number of cell division, growth without external signal, none of these. The correct option is D. None of these. 31. Repeating unit of nucleic acid is base, sugar molecules, phosphate molecules, nucleotides. Correct option is option D. Nucleotides. 31. DNA required many enzymes, sunlight, protein synthesis, mitotic division. Correct option is option A. Many enzymes. MCQ number 33. The nucleosome is composed of RNA, composed of DNA and RNA, found in nucleus, found in cell wall. Correct option is option A. Nucleosome is composed of